Convair B-36 Peacekeeper. It's the largest piston-powered combat aircraft ever built. Powered by 6 radio and 4 jet engines, it bridged the gap between World War II propeller aircraft and the jets of the Cold War. The Convair B-36 Peacemaker was a bomber operated by the United States Air Force from 1949 to 1959, but only one prototype was built. The B-36 has the largest wingspan of any combat aircraft at 230 feet. B-36s were known for their slogan of 6 turning and 4 burning, though the jet engines were typically only used for takeoff and, though never required, additional speed over a bombing target. In flight, the engineer could shut the jets down and close special levers at the front of the engine to reduce drag. This extended maximum range at the expense of cruise speed. Despite its capabilities, the B-36 never fired a shot or dropped a bomb in combat. However, the B-36 was the first bomber capable